Hello everyone, Jai Gurudev. This English session is on Maggie Cursor Hair. Being specific, the word zone. I'm Shanbaha Gomati presenting you this video. Now we shall learn about prefixes. What is prefix? A prefix is a group of letters added before a word to alter its meaning and form a new word. That is, when a word is added with prefix, the meaning is changed to form a new word. Here, I have enclosed few common prefixes, which entirely changes the meaning of the given root words. For example, dis. When dis is added with agree, the meaning changes, that is not agree. So, the new word what we are going to get is disagree. Okay. Same like when in is added with justice, you will get the opposite of justice, that is injustice. Now, you see this next one, re, that is again. When you are adding this re, prefix re with right, you will get the entirely different word called rewrite. That is, again you have to write. Next one you see, un. Un means not. When you are adding this un with friendly, you will get the new word called unfriendly, which is opposite to friendly. Here is a comic for you. The word do means carry out a certain job. Right? Here in this illustration, the word do is afraid of the prefixes re and un. Redo is to repeat the work, whereas undo is to reverse the work done. So, do is afraid to start over a job again. We are also, right? Dear kids, can you distinguish that? When you add different prefixes with the same word, you would get entirely different meaning. Now, prefixes from the story. She looks unkempt all the time. Here, unkempt, which is equal to un plus kempt. Unkempt is the antonym, that is opposite in meaning of kempt. Kempt is tidy, whereas unkempt is untidy. The opposite of some words can be formed by adding letters before the words. Some of them are dis, un, ir, in, or im. Pre means before. The process of adding these words like un before words like camped is called prefixing. Now, we shall answer to the book back exercises. Write the antonyms of the following words given in the correct balloon. Let us start, children. It's like a game. First one is like. Like, when you add prefix, you will get dislike. Regular will be irregular. Believable, unbelievable. Possible, that's impossible. Justice, that's injustice. Legal will become illegal when it is added with a prefix. Okay, next here comes active. Active will become inactive. Equal will be unequal if it's added with a prefix. Relevant, that will become irrelevant. Thus we have to tell that as irrelevant. Organize, disorganize. Okay. Practical, that will become impractical. Literate will become illiterate if it is added with a prefix. Here comes the word block. When a prefix is added, it will become unblock. Logical will become illogical. Balance will be imbalance. Responsible will become irresponsible. If the prefix is added, you will get the opposite, that is antonym. Okay, next come dependent, will become independent. Able will be disabled. Here you see all the words which are all given here in red. You will get, if you are adding prefix with that, means you will get the opposite, that is antonym of the given word. Understood, children? Thank you. Jai Gurudev.